Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Learn Luganda Yiga Oluganda, where we learn everything about Luganda, Buganda Kingdom, and the history of Uganda and Buganda in particular. So in today's video, we will be discussing day-to-day phrases used in dating. You know, dating can be complicated and confusing word, especially for those who are new to it. The dating scene can sometimes leave you feeling like you need a translator to understand all the different phrases and terms thrown around. In this video, we will break down some of the most commonly used phrases in dating and give you a clear understanding of what they really mean in Luganda, how to use these phrases, but basically we are going to give them to you in English and Luganda in this video. Whether you are single and ready to mingle or are just curious about the dating world, this video is just what you need. So sit back, relax, and let's get started with our lesson on the everyday phrases used in dating. You will like this video because this is what you have been looking for since then. In whatever you do in Uganda or in Luganda, discipline and self-respect and respecting others, it is paramount. Now, before you approach any person, be it a man or woman, for you to start a dating life, you need to learn how to greet. Of course, we know all how to greet. When it is a morning time, we say wasuze otia. Wasuze otia. Good morning. When it is afternoon time, we say osibye otia, or you say ori otia. How are you? How are you? Osibye otia or ori otia. Now, if it is an evening and night, we say good evening. That is osibye otia. Now, in order to add respect and value to the person you're talking to, you have to add the sex of that person. For example, if you're a man and you're greeting to a woman, you say wasuzotia nyabo. Good morning, madam. Wasuzotia sebo. Good morning, sir. So now, these are the phrases you need to understand and get into your head if you're starting dating life. Now, let's jump into the video. Let's start. Do you have a girlfriend? Do you have a girlfriend? Or do you have a boyfriend? In Luganda, we say Olina omwagalwa. Or you can say Olina omubezi. Another phrase is I am married. I am married. Ndi mufumbo. So this works between male and female. I am married. Ndi mufumbo. Would you like to go for a walk with me? Now, let's say you've been talking for a while and now you would like to move with this person along the way, or you go to the park, you go to the mall, but you're now requesting for this person to get you time and you move. So you'll be like, would you like to go for a walk with me? In Luganda, you say, wandiyagadde tutambuleko fembi. Are you available tomorrow? Are you available tomorrow? Enkya wooli. Enkya wooli. I'm available tomorrow. I'm available tomorrow. Enkya wendi. Enkya wendi. Can I buy you a drink? Can I buy you a drink? Nkugulireyo ekyokunywa. Nkugulireyo ekyokunywa. What will you drink? What will you drink? Onanywa ki? Onanywa ki? Now, you've done all that. So we would like to know whether we'll see this person again. Will I see you again? Naddamu okulaba. Will I see you again? Naddamu okulaba. When can we meet again? When can we meet again? Tunaddamu ddi okusisinkana? Tunaddamu ddi okusisinkana? Do you mind if I sit here? Do you mind if I sit here? Ofaayo bwe ntuula wano? Ofaayo bwe ntuula wano? I love you. I know this is the phrase everyone was waiting for. I love you. Nkwagala. I love you. Nkwagala. Remember, we are sponsored by Kateni Home and Interiors UG. They are located at Namland and Tebe Road, as you can see on the screen. So you can reach them out and you contact them and you make business with them. They are good. They have things. They have curtains. They have curtain rods in all designs. They can do installation for your house and make your house and offices looking beautiful. So you can reach them. They can even do deliveries. You can even send them measurements of your room and the color of your room, and they choose for you the best curtains, carpets and cushions you need to have in your room, and the bed covers you need to have according to the size and the design of your bed. Let's continue. You are very cute. You are very cute, or you are very beautiful. In Luganda we say oli mulungi. Oli mulungi. But oli mulungi, that is the word used commonly. But if you want to spice up how you feel for the person, and if you want to express how you feel about the beauty or the cuteness of this person, you say oli mubalagavu. Oli mubalagavu. It means the same as oli mulungi, but this oli mubalagavu hits high. You know, it is strong statement. If a person is calling you too much and you feel like you're fed up of that, you say, stop calling me. Stop calling me. Lekeraawo okunkubira essimu. Lekeraawo okunkubira essimu. I don't want to see you again. I don't want to see you again. Saagala kuddamu kulaba. Saagala kuddamu kulaba. I know you will find many phrases which are seeming a bit different from these ones, but I want to give you the simplest and which are commonly used in Luganda. Okay? So, I don't want to see you again is saagala kuddamu kulaba. When will you return? When will you return? Onaakomawo ddi? Onaakomawo ddi? So as I told you, I want to make not too long videos for you to get good lessons. So what I request, please go back and rewatch the video several times so that you can get these statements very clearly. My name is Kabugo Peter. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you. And please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And please share. Tell other people about this channel so that we can be here in big numbers. Ciao, ciao.